methods of assessment. So, ang narito po sa harapan natin is test. So, what is test? According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, test is something such as series of questions or exercises for measuring the skills, knowledge, intelligence, capacities, or aptitudes of an individual or group. And then school psychologists, educational diagnosticians, and other related professionals use variety of assessment tools to ensure that results are varied and reliable. So, lahat naman po tayo nakatry na sumagot ng test. So, meron po tayong dalawang kind ng test. So, what are those? Norm referent test and criteria referent test. So, unahin natin ang norm referent test. Ang norm referent test are assessment tests that compares a child performance with a representative sample of a student of the same canonical age. Such tests are made by a team, and results of that test are reported as percentile rank in age and grade equivalent scores, which make it easier for professionals to determine class and individual performance. So, yung norm reference test po is a test na nag-determine if test takers do perform better or worse than average students, which is determined by sometime age or their grade level. And then norm reference test is each individual is compared with other examinees. So it's very competitive kasi po nagpapataasan sila ng score. So examples of norm reference test. So, you have the intelligence test and the achievement test. In intelligence test, you have the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for students and the Stanford Binet Intelligence students. So, background lang sa Stanford Binet Intelligence students is that test have 6 areas. So, yung 6 areas na yun are general intelligence, knowledge, fluid reasoning, quantitative reasoning, visual spatial processing, and working memory. And then sa achievement test, we have the wide range achievement test, which is yun po yung test na nag-measure ng ability ng isang bata to read words, comprehend sentences, and the ability to compute solutions to a math problem. So, let's proceed. So, next is we have the criterion reference test. So, criterion reference test compares a child performance based on established standards and competencies and can be used to describe students' performance. So, scores are typically in numerical scores, percentage of correct response, letter grades, and graphic score report. So, ang sa simple numerical scores, we have the 75 to 100. Yan po yung over natin. And then we have the percentage of correct response. Yan po yung pag magte-test tayo, we need sometimes to get 75% or 80% of the score para makapasa. And then the letter grades are the A positive, A plus, B negative. They are common mainly in the US. And then criteria reference test compares a child performance based on established standards and competencies and can be used to describe students' performance. Unlike po sa norm reference test pinaghahalin tulad ang mga estudyante in criterion reference test, the individual score of a student does not affect the other students. So examples of criterion reference test are multiple choice questions, true or false question, and then we have the open-ended questions, which are sometimes a short response or an essay or a combination of question types. Yun lamang po.